Yeah, Jason Yarbrough, the state director for that organization, says he's ready for him and others to be boots on the ground, like you said, and helping out people in that area for as long as they need.
Every storm is different. Every disaster is a little different.
The Catesby fire near Gage in Ellis County has burnt over 90,000 acres of land, and firefighters are still working on this fire, with the Oklahoma Forestry Services saying in a situation report today that it is not fully contained.
We're ready to serve. That's what we're trained to do. That's what we want to do. That's what we do. When a disaster happens of any kind, we want to be boots on the ground.
Several houses have been claimed in this, impacting several families and the communities in Ellis County. Yarbrough says they're on high alert to help out in the Texas Panhandle if needed, and says when they're in the Ellis County area serving residents that it could be 3 weeks helping them clean up property free of charge.
We make sure that we take time to realize that we're not there just to do the physical labor, but we're also there to just let them share their story and just be ears to listen to them, and whatever encouragement we can give them, we really strive to make that happen.
Now they're heading up there Monday, and they'll have a post set up in Vi-Site. And if you'd like to help them, they have a donation tab on their website. And for most of the victims of this fire, there's an account set up in their name at the Oklahoma State Bank in Gage. Reporting live, Dakota Wapakichi, KOCO 5 News.